Hello guys, I am Ghanshyam Prajapati, and in this video we are going to explore how we can use Discord server. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe here. So if you join any Discord server, then you can see your interface like this. On left swipe you will get the information what all channels are there. So announcement channel is there uh, in this server. Resources are there. The resource will be provided here, and general talk will be there. And then off topic are is there. Meeting plans and introduction. You can introduce yourself. I have introduced myself here. You can get and you can provide me here, and you can discuss what queries you have about 30 days of Google Cloud here in this section in this channel. And if you are having any uh, problems in learn to earn, then you can go here in and write down your problems here. Okay, and here you can know uh, how many friends are there had joined, and how many of them are online, and all kind of things, and these people are there in this channel. And I would like to thank Vikram sir for creating this channel, this server, to provide a good environment, good community environment. So I would like to thank them. So thanks so much for watching this video, and that's it for this video. Bye bye, take care.